Imagine this. You're standing on a cliff at golden hour, drone in hand, and you hear the whisper of rumors about DJI's Mini 5 Pro. It's not just another foldable drone, it's shaping up to be the biggest leap in ultralight drone tech ever. Leaked FCC filings just confirmed a massive battery upgrade, new camera tech, and advanced features that could make this the ultimate tool for creators and hobbyists alike. But here's the kicker. Is DJI playing it safe, or are they about to redefine what a sub 250 gram drone can do? Let's break it all down. The first big headline, that battery. Leaks point to a 4,680 mAh power pack rated at 33.5 watt-hours. To put that in perspective, the Mini 4 Pro already impressed us with nearly 47 minutes of flight time using the Intelligent Battery Plus. But the Mini 5 Pro, we're talking 50 to 55 minutes in the air. That's almost an hour. For travelers, vloggers, and pros on the go, that's a game changer. Pair this with DJI's rumored 65-watt fast charger, and you'll spend more time flying and less time waiting around. This isn't an incremental step forward. This feels like DJI planting a flag and saying this is the new standard for ultralight drones. Now, let's talk optics, because this is where things get spicy. Rumors suggest a 1-inch sensor, a huge step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 1x1.3-inch setup. That means better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and cinematic detail that'll make your YouTube videos look like Netflix productions. And here's the fun part. The gimbal design. Gone are those clunky side flaps. It's more open, allowing a possible 360-degree rotation. Think of the creative shots, orbits, vertical pans, and FPV-style sweeps without breaking a sweat. If DJI nails this, the Mini 5 Pro's camera might rival even larger drones like the Air 3. Under the hood, the Mini 5 Pro packs front-facing LiDAR sensors, a first for the Mini lineup. This tech, borrowed from DJI's premium Mavic and Air series, offers 360-degree obstacle avoidance, even in low-light environments. Couple that with new motors featuring ventilation ports for better wind resistance, and a lightweight frame that stays under 249 grams. Yes, still no FAA registration needed for hobbyists. Plus, quick-release propellers mean no more fumbling with tiny screws mid-hike. Setup will be faster than ever. The leaks don't stop there. The Mini 5 Pro is tipped to use DJI's O4 transmission system, offering up to 20 kilometers of range with crystal clear 1080p live feeds. It'll work seamlessly with the RC2 controller, motion controllers, and even DJI Goggles 3 for FPV-style flying. But here's where DJI gets futuristic. Voice command control. Imagine saying, "Mini, orbit me," and it just does it. No hands, no stress. It's like having your own aerial assistant. And for vloggers, rumors point to in-app recording and a dedicated flight mode button, perfect for spontaneous content creation. So, when's it landing? Trusted leakers suggest an August 7th, 2025 reveal, sooner than expected, likely to beat looming regulatory deadlines in the US. As for price, the base version with the RCN2 controller is expected at $850, while the Fly More combo could hit $1,200. That positions it perfectly between the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3S. If DJI delivers on the rumored hour-long flight time, 1-inch sensor, and LiDAR obstacle avoidance, the Mini 5 Pro won't just be another upgrade, it'll be a revolution. What do you think? Is the Mini 5 Pro shaping up to be DJI's most exciting drone ever? Or are you waiting for something even bigger? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're reading every single one. And if you love staying ahead on leaks, deep dives and pro tips for creators, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.